Hi! Welcome to Bookbox. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon to get our latest videos.
The Red Fairy. Author Kamla Bhasin. I could not believe my eyes when I saw her for the first time. This is incredible! Such a tiny car! Yet it can seat 4 passengers, I thought. I was sitting on a wall with my little sister Neeta, counting cars. I love cars. I dream of them. Bright yellow, her headlights blinked. She looked like a red fairy. Questions whirled in my mind. I cycled to the colony gate. I asked Guard Chacha if he knew anything about this sparkling little red car. He laughed and said,
"You like that car? That car and its owner have recently moved here. They live in house number 112.
"Thank you," I said and cycled home again. That evening, I went to house number 112. There I saw Red Fairy behind a gate. There was a cable attached to her left. Oh! Red Fairy moved with electricity, not petrol or diesel. The next day, I saw Red Fairy whizzing past. I ran behind her and raised my hand to stop her. She stopped. Sitting inside was a white-haired lady who smiled at me. She looked like my grandma. I gently patted Red Fairy and told Grandma, "I am a car expert, but I have never seen a car like this. I really like her. Can I call her Red Fairy?"
You have given this little one a wonderful name,"
said Grandma. Grandma offered to take me for a drive. I was so excited. I ran home and asked Mom for permission to go with Grandma. Then I jumped into Red Fairy's lap for a ride. As we whizzed down the roads, I could hear no roar, only a purr. I asked Grandma why the car was so quiet. She said,
"Red Fairy makes no noise and emits no smoke."
Red Fairy zipped between cars. At a red light, an auto rickshaw driver was curious about Red Fairy and asked questions about her. The light turned green and we drove on. Soon we were at India Gate. Grandma bought ice creams for us. Everything was grey. Grandma said it was the smoke that made things grey. I told her that my papa said that the air in Delhi was very polluted. The smoke that comes out of cars adds to this pollution, which is why my mother doesn't like my interest in cars. Suddenly, I felt that Red Fairy was whispering to me. Meeto, I do not pollute the air like other cars do. Also, I take very little space to move and park. I was now convinced that Red Fairy was magical. No smoke, no sound, no petrol and no diesel. And she was talking to me.
Cars that use alternative energy can reduce air pollution. Who knows? You could become a scientist and invent cars that cause no pollution at all,
said Grandma. I decided that I would invent a new car and call it Whip Fairy.
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.